Here's the video right here. And if done correctly, it should turn out like that. So as you guys can tell, we've done this hack before, but this time we're gonna go into a little more detail on how you do it. Step one, you're gonna need to sprinkle some water in the mirror, like this.
Shopping centre, walking through aimlessly, and then out the corner of your eye, something grabs your attention. You see through a shop window this beautiful model, and it has the curves all in the right places. You're captivated immediately, and you have to go in there. So you walk confidently into the store, and you're greeted by one of the shop attendants.
Hi sir, can I help you with anything?
We'll focus it on the chair. That's where I'm gonna be.
Make it really dark in this room. Get a photo of a neon sign on my laptop.
Stool itself. So when you're shooting, you don't want to have the stool covering up any part of your model, which is why I've got Sierra wearing this nice long flowy skirt. Plus it kind of hides any like imperfections, not you in like the surroundings, and it makes it a lot easier to edit. So, you know, flowy dress, levitation, makes it look a lot cooler.
How do you feel about getting in the water down there?
I'm excited!
You don't look excited, you look terrified.
Without further ado guys, let's get started with the photo shoot. I think this is gonna be the outfit for the photo shoot, guys. Only thing is, I don't know if I should do a hat or without the hat, but regardless, let's actually get started. I'm finally leaving my room. You guys actually never seen my house, so wow, it looks very weird. I have it on Aperture Pro.